How to schedule Instagram posts for later. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule posts on Instagram using a professional account, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Just as a reminder, to schedule your posts, you need to have a professional account. Once you have a professional account, create a post like you normally would. Add your photo or video, edit it, and write your caption. Instead of tapping share right away, on the bottom, tap on more options. Now, turn on schedule this post. Select your preferred date and time, then tap finished. Now, go back and tap share. Now, your Instagram post will be scheduled automatically. And that's it. That's how you can schedule Instagram posts for later easily.